These guys are great for lunch boxes. They're awesome at picnics. They're just nice little bite-sized pieces of yumminess, and they're really easy to make. So I'm going to start off by just greasing some little muffin tins with some sesame oil. And the great thing about using the sesame oil is it's not only going to keep things from sticking, but it's going to add some extra flavour. Okay, now each of these we want to line with a thin piece of ham. Just push that in so they're nice and snug. And then you just want to spoon in a little bit of your favourite chili sauce. So I'm using a sweet chili, but you could also use a sriracha or a hot sauce. I like to give mine a little bit of an Asian flavour. And now crack an egg into each of those little muffin holes. And then I'm going to slice up some spring onion and add that in as well. And then some cheese. So I'm using some grated mozzarella, but you could use some Gruyere or some cheddar, whatever you like. And then that just goes into the oven for about 15 minutes or until the eggs are just set. They smell so good. So once they're out of the oven, just run a little knife or a spatula around the outside of the ham, and they should come out very easily. So you can serve these warm or at room temperature. They're just like little mini soufflés. So cute and so tasty.